Why, hello and welcome. Now, if you're like me and have run into several computers that have had issues with the keyboard in Windows 11 on the login screen, here's how you fix it once you get in and have to restart your computer. Search for Control Panel in your Start menu. Go to Control Panel, make sure it's set to large or small icons. Go to Power Options. Choose what power buttons do, and change settings that are not currently available. And make sure this is unticked. And yes, my computer autos reset it. The latest version of Windows 11 does it. So if you're wondering why your login screen, you try typing your password and it doesn't work, or the keyboard doesn't even register, turn this off. It's supposed to speed up load times, boot up times. That's it. The problem is it doesn't properly reinitiate drivers. So just turn it off, because saving 5 seconds and then not having a keyboard isn't saving 5 seconds. So thank you to the like, comment, and subscribe. Watch the video, and I'll see you guys next time.